Yeah. Oh, you twat. So tomorrow there's a big truck coming here onto this ranch, and it can't get down this little section, so I have to move Barry a bit so he can get through. And, I can't remember why the truck's coming. Maybe it's coming to pick up all of our trash that we've left here for 4 months and have been thrown away. Anyway, I have to move this old beautiful boy down here somewhere. Still got a broken window. But what can you do? What the fuck? Okay. Shit, I knew I should have taken it for a drive. Fucking dead battery. Bollocks. Going around. I guess I'm gonna have to get the bike out and see if I can use that to bump it. You two, stop hoofing about. That's the only good news about the battery being dead, is this little bugger's not triggering. So yeah, I didn't realise with this bus that even if you don't use it, it still eats up the battery, because there's this circuit going all the time and some other bullshit things. I'm trying to find some jump cables, which I know I have somewhere. So here's the busted battery. This is brand new. It's like 3 days old when they got the bus. So I guess I'm gonna have to bring my bike round. So I'm just gonna see if I can jump start a school bus with the battery. Okay, battery hooked up to the battery. Little bike, big bike. Let's see if I can start this cocksucker. Oh, listen to that. Now you know it's getting a source. Bloody back door's open, and that stupid fucking thing. And we have ignition, neutral, so it doesn't blow my bike up. And start the engine. What the fuck? I guess it needs a bit of a charge from the bike. This is dust, man. Leave it here for 5 minutes. What does that mean? Battery's fucked? I think I know that. Well, that's the reverse light working. Why does it do that when the engine isn't even on? Alright. That doesn't look good. Shut it. I guess I'll leave it running for a second. Needs to hold that. Oh fuck it, I'm gonna go and feed the cows quickly. So I'm gonna leave that charging up while I go and feed some cows. Jimmy! Uh-huh. Well, that ain't Jimmy and Pete. Jimmy! Oi! That's Marilyn with the big horns. We haven't eaten her yet. Thanksgiving, Marilyn. Eat as much grass as you can while you can. Jimmy, look! What are you looking at? He's got a bit of grass hanging out of his mouth, just like the cowboys do, you know. Where? Around these parts, eh, boy? What are you doing? You gonna come and have some of this crap? Don't bite my arse, you, because you've done that too many times. Hey! Don't stick your head up my bum. You want some? A bit old, aren't you? Chewing tobacco now, mate. Come on. Come on, Pete. Pete, come on. Always behind that one. And you're always in my behind. Sal! There's Jimmy and Pete, look. There's Jimmy and Pete. Jimmy and Pete. You stay there. No. I'm coming. I can feed you. Oh, you just lick my neck. Yeah. Oh, you're a cheeky one, aren't you? Yeah. You can see what I've got. Oh, and he's taking it. What have I got, mate? Yeah. Oh, you twat. You pulled the knob off the end. Right, what am I going to do now? I've got to go back in there and get that bloody teat which is down there amongst two ravenous cows. You can't bite the bars. Why are you biting the bar? What shall I do? Go and get it or feed Jimmy and then come back to Pete? Go on, little Jimmy. He's like, fuck off, it's my turn. Here you go, mate. Don't bite it off. Oh, you've done it as well. Well, look, you can't drink out of, can you? No. Now I'm going to go and get two bloody teats. Bollocks. Come on. Oh, look, they're covered in mud. Sorry, but this is the only place I've got to wash the... Oh, it's fucking dead cockroaches. Well, look. Sorry. Don't butt my hand. I'm trying to wash these, you twat. Stay. No. Don't you get off. Right, I've put these teats back on. Right. You behave this time? Pete, let's go with you. Just don't yank it off. Jimmy, why are you biting the metal bars? He's like, I'm just going to pretend this is it. I'll come back to you, okay? Because Sal's not coming over, I guess. Are you licking the drips? You're biting his ear. Jimmy, you're a little rascal. Don't yank it. Jimmy's like, I want some. He's biting the bar. That's what he does to my butt. He just clumps on it from behind like that. I feel sorry for the people that eat you. Because they're going to have your DNA in them. And they're going to start biting things. Are you happy doing that? Are you happy? It can't taste nice. Come on, Pete, hurry up. Jimmy, get away from my crutch. I know you. No. He's doing it again. He's like, do you not have enough iron in your diet? Is that what it is? He's almost done. Pete, look at that nose of yours. Go, Pete. You're done. You're done. Jimmy, are you ready? There you go, mate. Oi! Stop, Pete. Stop being a dick. You steal all his food as well. Is that why he's so small? Yeah. Don't pull on it. That's what he said. I have got this one right under my armpit as I'm leaning in. You almost done? He's such a bully, this one. Last bit. Okay, I think you're done. Jimmy, good boy. But you're still chewing it. What are you doing? Why are you chewing? Why are you chewing the metal bar, mate? You're still doing it. Right, I'm gonna go because I got a bus ticking over. Boy. Right, well, it hasn't blown up yet. Let's see if I can try again. Not flashing. Oh, you twat. Fuck it. Let's take the bloody car. Yeah, I was just thinking that my motorbike battery is so small, it's probably why it's not working, it makes sense, otherwise a bus would have a bloody motorbike sized battery in it, wouldn't it? So hopefully this car will do the trick. Shh, fucking hate cars that beep for stupid reasons. I want to leave the keys in, dickhead. Thanks, Trev, you've been great, but let's see if the big boys can handle this. Right, one slightly bigger battery. Shit, which is the red and which is the black? Bollocks, they're both black. Oh, don't do this to me. That's got a bit of red in it there. I'm guessing that's the red side. Come on then. Let's be having you. Open. That does the job. Right. Let's try again. Don't want to put my suit back on. Let's see if you can embarrass me in front of these two. Okay, so it is beginning to start. I just have to, I guess, give it a while. It makes sense, a huge battery for this thing. The motorbike ain't going to start. And I can't bump this thing. Even with 10 of us, I don't think we're going to get it pushed. Now I need to weigh the throttle down on the car, find a brick or something. How about you? Big enough? Come on, you twat. Ah, fuck it. Need a bigger one. And you. Try matey balls first. And then that do the job. Try again. No, not that heavy. Oh, you motherfucker. Twat. Just a little bit. Fuck off. Okay. Revving away. Oh, it's almost. Fuck. Huh. Found the hazard lights. Yeah. Okay, slowly climbing. Shit, I'll do it quickly. Fuck. Excuse the language, but I'm French, you know. You can tell by my accent. Fuck it. Oh, come in. Stop moaning, you twat. Right, I'm gonna leave you run for a little bit. Let's get Bazza out of here. Trevor, I meant. So many kids, forget their names. Go for this bush. Just arrived in the clutch. Okay. Oh, I've got those things in my boots. Bollocks. Oh, get out. Bloody. Right. Oh, there's one right at the end. Oh, motherfucker. My boot. Oh, that's better. Hear this? That's all those prickers, like they're all on the floor. And another thing, how the fuck did I get bird shit in the bus? Yeah. And all down my jacket. What a complete wanker. That's my fault, I suppose, for leaving the bloody window in. They must be having a party, that there's more shit there. And there. That one goes all the way down. Little bastards. I thought I heard loud music at 2 o'clock in the morning. Owls must have thought it was a hoot. Oh, look, more bird shit. More bird shit. More bird shit. That one didn't eat as much. Okay. Of course I have a battery charger which I borrowed from the neighbour up the road for 3 miles. But when I got it here, it didn't bloody work. It wouldn't even power on. And I've tried and tried and it just doesn't come on. I tried different power sockets, plug sockets, power outlets, whatever you want to call them. And I told him, he was like, well, it was working when I used it the other day. I'm gonna have to take the battery charger that the farmer lent me back over there and see if he can figure it out. I might be just doing something really stupid and like there's an on-off switch, but I can't find it. Alright. You're not gonna... Shit. Alright. Fuck it. So now, this thing, which is supposed to charge Barry's battery over there, if it worked, I wouldn't have had to do the bike, the truck. So now I have to take it up to the other ranch from the farmer who lent me it and see if I'm doing something stupid. Alright, not plugging it in. See you in a week. Check for traffic, nothing coming. Now, this is my nearest neighbour. He's about 3 miles up here. Oh, missing the sunset. We usually like to sit on our bar and watch it go down, but I'm going to figure this out before it gets dark. Because the vampires come out. Hello, mate. How you doing? What's your name? This is a big bull. You're a big boy, aren't you? He's a big boy. He's like, fuck off, trying to eat my grass. So I'm coming up to our next door neighbour.
Why don't you go on over there?
Yeah.
Right in front of my shop.
Yeah.
Right in front of the door, beside the door, there's a new battery. Get that new battery.
Right.
And take over there where you can start the bus, and you can take that other battery off, and we can take it somewhere and get it charged, I guess. Hey,
all right.
Let's see you.
I'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
See you later. There he goes. That was funny. I was actually just on my way to him. So now the plot has changed. Now I'm gonna pick up a battery from his ranch and see if I can get the bus started with that bloody thing. I hate these self-locking doors. Right. I'm guessing that's it. He said it's new. Alright, can't pick it up with one hand. Keep hearing meow somewhere. That's got handles, which would have been nice had I found them first. Meow. Keep hearing. Meow meow. Meow. Who's meowing me? Ah. There you are. They don't have a cat, and that is the cat that came to my place and started eating the dogs.
Shit.
And I had to kick it out if I had to drive it a couple of miles down the road. Is that big bloody bull again? Hello? You got shit hanging out your bum. Well, okay then. So ignorant, aren't they? Bye. Alright, let's try and get this battery sorted out. Shut up! Right, I know the bus is over there. I'm not carrying these two, bloody heavy. Still got the LA part in me. This reminds me of the cover of Outer Space. To find another race. Yeah. I can't remember what that band was called. Oh, they've moved the bloody. Fuck's sake, where's the ignition? I know I don't have my seatbelt on. Could have put my lights on so that the other traffic can see me. Like there. Oh, hang on, I need it. Idiot. I wish I had real gear sticks. I hate all this bollocks. Need to shine a bit of light on the battery. I think I'll leave it running. I don't think anyone's going to nick it. Fucking hell, this is heavy, this battery. This is half the size of this one. I wonder if I just connect them. He said to swap them out. But what if I try just connecting it first? See if I can get it started. Because it should flow through this one. And once it's started, I might be able to disconnect it. Anyway, yapping away, I should just try it. Goodbye, sunset. So you can go on there. You can go on there. Now with the fuck, they're both red. I thought one's supposed to. Oh, no, I hate this shit. Ah. So, well, you're still red. And oh, this is a positive. Alright, okay. And the negative. See it there. That still doesn't tell me fuck all. Is it black that's positive or red that's positive? Or is it red that's negative? Ah, that's red, and that says positive. So red positive, black negative, like so. The day is dying so young. And see. Oh good, the keys are in already. I've had trouble finding ignition on this bloody thing. Shut it. What do I do now? Because will it work if I actually swap it properly? Does it make a difference if I take that big bastard out and put that one that's half its size in? Will that make a difference? I have no idea. Fuck it, we're just going to have to push it. Twat. You know what I think has happened here? I've just realised something. I reckon that all those birds that came in through the bloody window I left open, they've been partying in here and they've gone and turned the engine on or ignition on to play the stereo so they can have a little party. Maybe they did that when I was in Taos. Because it was working perfectly until the last time I used it. I'm not leaving any more booze here on the bus. Oh, it's like a horror movie. Zombies coming. I know I connected this right. So me being determined not to give up with this supposedly new battery, I took the other one out. I'm going to stick it up there. Just in case what I did earlier messes with the full charge, who knows. But one last shot before the bats come out. Oh, which is the positive side again? Shit. Oh, that side. Because that's the positive. That side. So I turn it like so. Shuffle it about. Oh, how the fuck? What am I missing? Oh, it's there. It's under this stupid cap. Okay, so it must be under this stupid cap. Right. Back in business. And then now, which was the fucking red one? They're both down there. I guess that other one. So I guess you. I don't need to make a tight connection, I just need it connecting, I think. It's not even going in. I thought they had the same thread. For fuck's sake. There we go. Well, it's not pulling out, but... Oh, you twat. The bloody... thing. Ah, how'd you get that off? I reckon that, yes. For now, come on. Right, you're in, you're touching. Now I'm a bit dubious about the red one. Scooby dubious. Because, again, I'm not a mechanic, but if I touch the metal once the red's connected, do I fly 6,000 feet in the air and land in the pool perhaps? Get abducted on the way up? Or does nothing happen? I think I'm gonna... Fuck. I ain't touching it, that's for sure. Oh, come on. Get in. Oh, you twat. Right, okay. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. What'd you do that for? Alright, so something happens when you do this. So, that noise, I don't even think I need to tighten that. It's touching it, right? It's touching it, I ain't touching it. Fuck that. So how much do you make from those hen parties? They shat everywhere, mate. Right, I'm hoping, let's see. Right, we have ignition. Moment of truth. Fuck me. Buzz is alive! He's alive! He's alive!